Hi everybody, welcome to our bathroom. We are here because I'm going to test my gift. This is one of my husband's Christmas gift for me, and I would like to try it. My name is Joji. So let's begin. So this is what I got, and okay. So this one has that, and that
is a GF.
Okay, I don't know what that is.
So if you have a power surge or you drop it in the water is a very good example. Instead of you getting electrocuted, it will trip and it automatically shuts it off.
The yellow thing.
Yes.
What about the red thing?
So if you had a sink full of water and you're doing your hair and drop it in the sink, and like one like this would continuously to shock you. Well, this, it will not shock you because it would automatically shut off.
Yeah, the yellow. What about the red thing?
Well, then that's just a way of re-triggering. Once it gets shut off, you just push that to make it go back on. So, so once it triggers, then that's just like a reset button.
Okay. This is totally different from, I have the same one. I'm going to show it to you a little later. But this is from Revlon, and I'm really excited to try this, how different this is from my first one. The first one is the same. It looks the same, but it's not from Revlon. And I hope that this will stay for a long time, because the one that I bought, or that I have, I got it in April of 2019, and it's not anymore doing the job. So let's begin. How do I try it? Okay, so I have here, there's off, there's full, there's low, and there's high. So I'm gonna do high. I like it. It's definitely doing the job. Maybe I'm not doing a good job in using it. So that's my first time. And this one cost $34. My husband got it from Target. And the other one that I got it from of Amazon, and it cost me $25. And it's not anymore. And I don't use it every day because I am a stay-at-home mom. So it's, maybe I got my money's worth out of it, but I have a very, very thick hair. So I think it's doing a good job. I really like it. So maybe I'm gonna do it or like turn it on. See the power, the power, or
Middle, high.
but look at the air that it's producing. Yeah, I know.
It smells funny. Like it's burning. So, yep, that one's definitely junk.
So thank you so much for buying me my gift.
You're welcome.
Review of after a year maybe of using this one, and then see if it's still working. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys soon. Merry Christmas. Bye.